Good morning, guys. Hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Today, me and Janelle are going to Manchester Square YAG to get some cute content photos. And then I'm going to be doing some Christmas crafts because it is after Remembrance Day now and I am ready to set up and decorate for Christmas. So I'm going to take you guys along the journey. I haven't vlogged in forever, so I'm actually really excited to vlog. So I'm really excited to take you along with me today and see what a part of a day of a content creator is like. We are at Manchester YAG. Oh, this is not a good view of it. There's Manchester YAG with Janelle taking some content photos. Hey guys, we are home now. Frankie is chasing my cat Gracie, but we are home. Oh, Frankie wants to say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Oh, thank you. Mama loves the kisses. Hi. I also have these cute little Christmas crafts that I'm going to show you guys as well from the dollar store and from Michael's. I got some garlands. It's just a really chill day today. I'm not doing a whole lot. Just, you know, I'm trying to get stuff off of my to-do list that has been on my list for a while. Oh, Frankie's following me. This dog never leaves my side, I swear. He is my little best friend. Okay, so Christmas is coming in full swing, so I want to show you guys some cute little do-it-yourself crafts that I found at the dollar store. So I bought 2 of these trees. I have already sprayed one of them, but I bought 2 of these trees. These were $4 each at the dollar store, so you just had to fluff them out a little bit. Now that the tree is fluffed out, I bought this snow spray from the dollar store. Mine is definitely broken, but we are going to spray this on the tree. So I'm actually going to do this over the sink because this is kind of messy. So I'm just going to show you guys from the sink. This is really quick. So I just kind of stagger it. I don't spray it directly everywhere. Okay, so I need to go buy one more snow spray. I did run out. And so already those 2 trees are significantly cuter. So how I'm gonna even up the game even just a little bit more is I'm going to make some beaded garlands for them. So I went and grabbed some wood beads, some string to string them, and some macrame to make little macrame tassels after. In general, like I was looking at these trees and even buying them was so expensive. So I was like, I ain't got money for that. So we're gonna do a lot of do-it-yourself stuff this year. Also don't know if this is gonna like work out fully to what I'm like planning it to. But for the string, I'm gonna take a piece of tape and just wrap it around the edge to make it easier to bead. Fun fact, when I was a kid, I loved beading. Beading was my jam. I used to make bracelets, I used to do looming. I actually did like leather work and beading and all that kind of stuff for a really long time. That was like my go-to thing. I'm kind of sad that I don't do it anymore. I miss beading. A lot of people thought it was super nerdy, but I loved it. So I just put tape over the edge here just to help the beads. So I think there's 3 different sizes, so I'm just going to stagger them so it's from smallest to biggest. So that it will look kind of like that. So I'm just gonna keep going with this. So there's my garland beaded. So now I don't know if this is gonna work, so I'm really hoping this will. But I'm gonna take this and make some tassels out of this. I think it would be really cute, kind of like a macrame type of idea. So I'm gonna use actually this to wrap and make a tassel. So I'm gonna wrap it that many times. Need scissors. There is one tassel, so I'm just going to unravel this little wool part. So now it's a little tassel. I don't know if I did it properly, but I'm just going to trim this. So it's all kind of the same length. And just like that, a little tassel. So then what my idea was that I was just gonna tie it to the end. So it would just like hang like that. It's very like boho and like modern farmhousey, but I think it's really cute. So I'm gonna make one more tassel and I'll be right back. All right, so a finished garland. And then I'm just going to wrap it around, I'm gonna wrap it around this Christmas tree because I want to spray a little bit more snow on that one. Just kind of like that. I think it's really cute. It matches the decor in my house really well. And I'm all about this Scandinavian style, just like that. I think that's really cute. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and make one more garland and I'll be right back. All right, so I finished my garland. So now I have 2 of them right here. So I am just going to wrap them around my trees. I want the tassels to be like dangling a little bit. Just like that. So that is my two little Christmas trees that I'm making. I'm going to put these on my fireplace mantle just between where the TV goes. So I'll show you guys after where I keep those. Another really cute Christmas idea that I had that's very affordable is actually to do the centerpiece on my table here. So I have this like wooden farmhousey table. So the entire look that I want to achieve with my house is modern farmhouse. That is just what I love. I am a country girl, so modern farmhouse is definitely my thing. So I found these garlands. These were at Michael's for $5.99, which is very freaking cheap because everywhere I've been looking at garlands, they're all like $50, $60 a piece. And again, they are fancy, but I'm not looking for something super fancy when I can make it fancy on affordable price. So I'm going to actually, I bought two of these. So I'm gonna use this one here and I'm going to use it as my centerpiece for my table. So what I am going to do, because this is a little bit too long for the table, I'm actually going to put it in half and twist it together to make it a little bit more fluffy. So kind of like that, and now I'm just going to fluff out the garland to make it even more fluffy. Alright, so now that this is all fluffy, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do here. So this is the center of my table. I bought these candlestick holders at IKEA, and then the candles are also from IKEA. So I really like them. I liked how they're matte black. They just added a really cute vibe. So I'm going to lay this in the center of the table. I do want to get a runner for the center, but I just haven't found one that I really like yet. So I'm still on hold about that. And then what I'm going to do is actually have these kind of come out of the garland. It's very like modern farmhouse rustic-y. I think it's so cute. So another thing, I was thinking of getting those little fairy lights and kind of just stringing them into the garland as well, just to give it a little bit of something, like the battery operated ones. So that is the table. I gotta get rid of the Thanksgiving decor. And then these, I was planning on putting them here on the mantle, just on the side like that. I think that's super cute. This candle's probably gonna go, and this will probably also go. And then putting the other one just right there. So it'd be like that. I think that's so cute. I love the look of that. Slowly I'm getting my Christmas decor together, but this is just an affordable option to start that modern farmhouse Christmas look. Okay, so you guys are laughing at me. I literally made another trip to the dollar store. I love the dollar store, if you guys haven't already figured that out. But the reason I went to the dollar store is because it's actually my niece's birthday today, so I went to go get some gift wrap. So that is her couple little presents there that I got her. If there's one thing I love, it's honestly gift wrapping. Frankie's there. But I want to show you guys what I got from the dollar store. So I got some makeup things. So I'm actually use these in my hair and makeup kit. So this one's gonna be for elastics and hair ties and bobby pins and stuff for my hairstyling kit. And then I got these little placemats, and they are green, like how cute. And I also got some in beige, but these were $1.50 each, and it comes with two. And then I also stocked up on some alcohol. I'm not a hoarder. I just use this for my makeup kit to disinfect. So of course I had to grab some as soon as you see it because it is sold out everywhere right now. And then I got two of these. These are little acorns. I was thinking I could actually stick in the garland on the table there. But these were only $1.75, and you get 5 in a pack, and I got 2 packs. And then I also got some little fairy lights to wrap around the garland on the table that I was talking about. So these are battery operated, which I think is perfect for Christmas like table, because then you don't have a cord hanging around. And then I also grabbed some hand sanitizer because you cannot have enough of this these days. This is what our life has come to. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching my vlog channel. This is a couple days later. I totally forgot to do an outro. Sometimes we forget, that's just who we are as vloggers. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little a day in my life vlog. If you guys like this type of content, make sure you go ahead and like the video and subscribe to my channel to see any other videos that I post. Thanks guys, see you in the next one. Bye.